Your career journey is the life journey that includes your jobs, education, and training to update your skills and professional experiences that culminate in developing the unique person that you are. As individuals change their careers 7 to 10 times throughout their life, and with many jobs in between, many seek to grow professionally and personally. As you journey in your career, you envision the goals that you want to achieve and the steps to get there. It requires flexibility and a holistic approach. Welcome to the course, Manage Your Career Journey. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. Throughout your career journey, there will be important life influences that shape who you are and the decisions you make. There will be self-awareness of who you are professionally and personally, focusing on your career aspirations and skill and professional development to enhance your career. The course aims to support your career journey to achieve your goals through work and learning, attain professional well-being, and better relationships in the dynamic and changing workplace. We hope you enjoy the course and apply the strategies to your career and life.